Revolut imposes various limits on spending, transfers, withdrawals, and exchanges to ensure security and compliance. These include monthly spending limits, up to $5 million equivalent for business cards, ATM withdrawals, for example $200 per month fee-free on standard, and currency exchanges, for example $1,000 per month fee-free on standard. Increasing them depends on the type. Some are adjustable via app, others require plan upgrades or verification. Always monitor via the app for personalized limits. Open the Revolut app. Download or update the app, iOS or Android. Log in with your PIN or biometrics. Check current limits. Tap Profile, top left, your plan or account. Limits. View categories like spending, withdrawals, or transfers. Note any restrictions. Adjust self-imposed limits. For spending, go to Cards. Select Card and Settings. Spending limit. Upgrade your plan. For higher defaults, like $800 per month ATM on Premium versus $200 on Standard, tap Profile, Plans, select Premium, $7.99 month, or Metal, $13.999 month. Complete upgrade, limits update immediately, plus perks like 0% FX up to $10,000 month. Verify identity for transfers. For outbound limits, for example $10,000 per day on Standard. If prompted, upload ID, passport or driver's license, in Profile, Verification. Approval in 1 to 2 days unlocks higher amounts. Contact support. For custom increases, like large transfers, chat in-app, help, chat, or email support@revolut.com with details. Provide docs if requested. Tips. Upgrade plans for automatic boosts. Cancel anytime. Limits reset monthly or rolling. Track usage to avoid declines. Comply with KYC. Excessive requests may flag security.